in! I'm gonna cry. I'm actually gonna cry. You need to clean the bathroom right now! Mom, I just cleaned it yesterday. I'm not doing it again. I don't care about that! Get in there and clean that skibbity toilet! No! Don't make me repeat myself! Go gyat your butt over there! Those mean the same thing! Stop! Are you giving me attitude? Do you want me to phantom tax your dinner from you tonight? Okay, that one was kind of decent, but you need to stop, for real. So will you be cleaning that skibbity toilet like I asked you to? No, I won't! And stop calling it that! Simon, I'm only speaking like you... What is it, Gen Alpha folk? I'm not Gen Alpha. I was born way before 2010. You better watch your mouth, or I'll send you on a one-way trip down to Ohio. Mom, you're gonna make the viewers swipe away from the video. You see this, right? You know what? I'm getting your father. Honey. What are you... What? Phantom tax Ohio Sigma male skibbity. What? Yeah, I'm sorry, but I don't speak construction noises. Talk to me when you want to be normal. Huh?